Right now, an invisible force field is saving every life on Earth. Imagine our world, a beautiful blue marble floating in space, is constantly being blasted by a cosmic storm. It's true. Every second of every day, the sun fires a stream of charged particles at us, a powerful force called the solar wind. So why aren't they frying the planet? Because Earth has a secret weapon, an invisible force field. This amazing shield is our planet's magnetosphere. It's a magnetic bubble that surrounds our world and blocks danger from space. Without it, Earth would look very different. So, what exactly is this magnetic shield? Deep inside, there's a giant ocean of scorching hot liquid iron. As Earth spins, this liquid metal moves and stirs. The motion makes powerful electrical currents, which create a massive magnetic field, a planet-sized dynamo. The field stretches into space, forming the magnetosphere. It's our first and best line of defense, always there, even when we can't see it. It isn't round. The solar wind squashes it. On the sun-facing side, it's pushed inward by constant pressure, like leaning into a strong wind. On the night side, it stretches into a comet-like tail, reaching millions of kilometers beyond the moon. The whole structure pulses with the sun. Without it, the solar wind would be devastating. High-energy particles would strip away our atmosphere, molecule by molecule, over millions of years, like a sandblaster on a mountain. Oceans could boil off into space, and radiation would pound the ground. Life as we know it would not survive. Our magnetosphere is the unsung hero, protecting our fragile atmosphere, our vast oceans, and every one of us. It's a stunning piece of cosmic engineering. Let's see how it works. The solar wind, over 1,000,000 miles per hour, slams into the magnetosphere, but it doesn't punch through. Field lines act like a cosmic traffic cop, redirecting particles around Earth, like water flowing around a boulder. Some particles get trapped in two donut-shaped zones, the Van Allen belts. They're filled with energetic particles caught by Earth's field. Think of them as a holding pen, dangerous to cross unprotected, but they keep radiation from the surface. A few particles slip deeper and ride field lines toward the poles. Some go north, some go south. They collide with oxygen in the upper atmosphere, and with nitrogen, and the sky begins to glow. These dancing lights are the auroras. Aurora borealis in the north, Aurora australis in the south. Together, the magnetosphere deflects most solar wind, the belts trap the rest, and the auroras reveal the final line of defense. Now, let's travel to our neighbor, Mars. Billions of years ago, Mars was very different, with flowing rivers, vast lakes, maybe even a shallow ocean beneath a thick atmosphere. It might have been warm, wet, and potentially habitable. Early Mars likely had a global magnetic field from a molten core, its own magnetosphere, guarding the atmosphere and helping water stay on the surface. A world full of promise. Then, something changed. The Martian dynamo shut down. As the core cooled and solidified, the global field disappeared. Without its shield, Mars faced the full force of the solar wind. The results were catastrophic. Over hundreds of millions of years, particles stripped the air away. NASA's MAVEN sees this loss happening today, confirming Mars is still losing what little atmosphere remains. The damage is written on the surface. Mars' air pressure is now less than 1% of Earth's. Liquid water can't last. It would boil away. Mars became the cold, barren desert we see, a cautionary tale of a lost shield. Our solar system is a lab for magnetospheres. Each world tells a story. If Earth's shield is impressive, look at Jupiter. Its magnetosphere is colossal. It would appear several times larger than the full moon in our sky. It's powered by a spinning ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen, making a shield thousands of times stronger than Earth's. It traps immense radiation and makes auroras bigger than Earth. Even tiny Mercury has a weak magnetosphere. The solar wind can still hit its surface. Venus, Earth's sister, lacks a true magnetosphere. The solar wind makes only an induced shield. Lighter elements like water were stripped over billions of years. Across worlds, one message is clear. A strong, stable magnetosphere helps keep air and water over geologic time. A key clue in the search for life. So, let's bring it home. We live on a special world, protected by a magnetic bubble, our silent guardian for billions of years. Born from the churning heart of Earth, This shield deflects storms and blocks deadly radiation. It holds our air, lets water flow, helps plants grow, and lets us look up and wonder. A compass pointing north and every aurora are signs of this power at work. Understanding it guides our search for habitable worlds and our next great adventure. Subscribe to our Universal Universe channel for daily cosmic adventures, and don't forget to share and like the video.